Alright, it's still November 2nd, Wednesday, November 2nd. It's in the afternoon. But I just got this piece. That's a hanger. It's hanging off the limb there. That's what they call, I found out Monday, I think. They call them hangers. But that one broke off. It's just hanging off another limb. And I see here, and I noticed, where's my antenna? The end of my antenna, where is that? That's a little up further. Right there, it got decorated. It's just like a little, maybe better from the other side. But just a very little branch is hanging off there. And oh, here, inside all these trees, there's all this I just pulled off from here. Where this is, some of this, okay, and from these trees here, from this, I don't know what kind of tree, oh, bush, but here's a good example of a hanger. See this limb? Something came down and hit it, and it's just hanging there. Is this it? Yeah, there we go. It's hanging from there. So something a limb probably came down from up further, I think, and I see another limb hanging out there. So it's just hanging there. You have to cut it off. That's what they call a hanger. I found that out yesterday. But there's the other stuff here. Oh, acá, eso es lo que estaba enseñando antes para ustedes en Colombia, si lo van a ver. En inglés se llama hanger, que está colgado ahí nada más. No se rompió completamente. Y se queda, las ramas se quedan colgadas, como esta, ¿no? Así eso hay que subir ahí y cortarlo. Es que, y hay más arriba hay ramas todavía. ¿Ves esa rama? Se quedó troncada ahí. See that? One limb, I don't know how big it is, but they look small from down here. But that one doesn't look that big. But they get stuck up there. And then you get a big wind or something, then it comes flying down. It's, so those just get hung up. Oh, what am I doing? Here's this, let me hurry up over here. We still got to do the little cleanup. See, I was doing some of the cleanup here. Where the stair is. Stairs. And I'm doing it by rake. And here's this. Although this has to be done, I think before I showed you down in the... Todo esto en Spanish. Todo esto hay que limpiarlo todavía, ¿ok? Hay muchas ramas pequeñas, muchas hojas, todo eso todavía hay que... Acá en la parte de arriba, porque acá está el deck. Y acá también. And down here too, you got a lot of... Still got a lot of small stuff to clean up. Plus I found there's two branches down there, large. One is large, the one that's facing backwards. This one is a small one. That one I might be able to carry. This one I brought it up from down the back, and this one is a small one. Also all of these is from down the back, all the way down there. I pulled that big branch up, but it's too heavy. Okay, that's it. Lo voy a parar acá. Esas son ramas que estaban completamente abajo. Ahí hay dos más. Y todo esto que está acá arriba lo subí ayer. Así, todavía hay falta de abajo para limpiar, ¿no? Mucha limpieza. Así. Y acá estamos. Y le quiero enseñar. A ver, I just want to show you from this side. No, even though it's low, but it goes all the way across. Es bajo, pero hay muchas ahí. Acuérdate, esta es número 1 nada más, ¿no? This is the first pile. Pile number 1. It's a low one, but it's long. Pile number 2 is on that side, on the other side of the blue car, right there. Pile number 3 is on the other side of Glenn's driveway. Whoops. And then you got pile number 4, which is the neighbors in the yellow house. And we still got a lot to clean up. Everybody. So that's about it. Yeah, y así hay 4 cosas acá de ramas de 3 casas. De la casa amarilla no es tanto, pero ya, oh no, acá no. Pero todavía le falta mucho para limpiar atrás, en la casa amarilla. Así, vamos a ver cuánto va a haber. Okay, goodbye. I'm not gonna stop it here.